the years, we have had cases of cars coming with electrical issues, from malfunction of radios, instrument cluster, lights, interior lights, to battery drain. You drive normally, park the car, and in the morning the car can't start. The main culprit that we have gotten to the bottom of this issue has been misinstallation of GPS trackers in cars. For this particular Audi Q7, the GPS tracker was installed incorrectly, and it ended up messing up the electrical units of this car, to an extent that it destroyed the body control module, which controls the headlights, the indicators, the radios, and so many other interior electricals. What we had to do is to get another body control module, which we are doing adaptation so that it can get the rest of the components, the electrical components of the car, to function normally. But this doesn't come cheap, so you will find a simple mistake of just installing an external component on the car that is not originally part of it. If it's not done right, it can cost as much as this.